bumpy like that, no, it's not scary, but it is a little bit of an adrenaline rush. People watching, so we got to make this landing as smooth as possible. Go ahead and kill that power completely. Can't wait till we get to our flare. A little bit, and we'll go ahead and deploy our flaps now. And a little bit of right rudder. There we go. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Whoa. All right, well, let's get off on Alpha 3. I gotta make it difficult on us, but I like that landing. So what I did there was I added flaps while on the flare, and that made me float so much longer